In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from your Bitget account safely and correctly. First, open the Bitget app or website and log in. On the home screen, go to Assets, then Spot, and make sure the coins you want to withdraw are in your Spot wallet, not locked in futures, earn, or copy trading. If they are, transfer them back to Spot first. Next, tap Withdraw. Choose the crypto you want to send, for example, USDT or BTC. Then select On-Chain Withdrawal if you're sending to an external wallet or another exchange. Now you'll need 3 key things: the recipient wallet address, the correct network, and the amount. Paste the wallet address carefully, select the network that matches the recipient, for example TRC20, ERC20, or the chain they support. Then enter how much you want to withdraw. Check the network fee and minimum amount. Before confirming, double-check coin, network, address, and amount. Bitget will then ask for your email/SMS code and possibly Google Authenticator. Enter the codes and submit. Finally, go to Assets Withdraw History to track the status until it's completed on-chain. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.